Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new exhaust. Basically, I ordered the Tomei exhaust because I just love the way it sounds on my friend's car, and I had to get one. So I will be selling my ETS exhaust and putting this one on the car. This is the Tomei single exit, so let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Oh yeah. Alright. Wow, this is incredibly light, guys. I think the whole exhaust weighs like 17 pounds. Let's just get everything out of the box first and then open some stuff up. Just a big old piece. I guess they send you some stickers and some logos and stuff. I probably won't do anything with that, honestly. I'm not really a big fan of putting stickers on the car. That looks really good. Comes with a silencer, which is, I'll need that because don't want to piss off the neighbors. Bolt. All right, that's basically everything in the box. I'm gonna get my knife. And then we will start getting stuff out of the wrapping. What we'll probably do is just get everything out and then leave all the couplers and bands and stuff and bolts in the packaging until I put the exhaust on. But let's get this undone and check it out. Okay. Yeah, this is so nice. Check out the welds. Very smooth, like they sanded everything after. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. This is so light. Gotta be a lot lighter than my ETS exhaust. I think I said earlier, but I think this exhaust weighs like 17 pounds. Alright. And the piece that everyone's probably waiting on. The muffler and outlet. I think this is a 4-inch. I gotta look it up. 4.5 inch. That looks so good already. Alright, there it is. Here I am just throwing it around everywhere. Wow, this thing looks amazing. All right. So, yeah, I can't wait to get this on the car. I'll probably have it on the car in like another week when I get back from vacation. Kind of sucks I'm going away this week and it just came in, but what can you do? So, I hope you guys enjoy the video. As always, if you like the content, leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Next video will be install and startup and everything, and then after that, I've got a couple more cool videos coming out, so stay tuned for those, and enjoy your weekend, guys. Peace.